Bonjour, je m'appelle Stacy. Today we are going to learn some animals and review the colors in French. At the end, I'll show you a simple game that you can download and play at home. When I say each word, why don't you try and say it after me? First, we're going to practice les animaux. Le chien. Le chat. Le hamster. La souris. Le lapin. Le cochon d'Inde. Le poisson rouge. Le poisson rouge is a goldfish. To say just fish, say le poisson. La tortue. Le cheval. Le poney. L'éléphant. L'oiseau. Le singe. Le girafe. Le lion. Le tigre. Now we're going to practice the colors again. Rouge. Bleu. Jaune. Vert. Noir. Blanc. Violet. Marron. Gris. Rose. Orange. Let's practice the colors now with a song. You'll be familiar with the tune Frère Jacques. Normally I would say a line and you would say it back to me, but since I'm not with you, I'll sing both parts. You can listen to me sing the first part and then join in with the second part. Ready? Red is rouge, red is rouge, blue is blue, blue is blue. Yellow is jaune, yellow is jaune, green is vert, green is vert. Black is noir, black is noir, white is blanc, white is blanc. Purple is violet, purple is violet, pink is rose, pink is rose. Gray is gris, gray is gris, brown marron, brown marron. Orange is orange, orange is orange. Shout bravo, shout bravo. To ask what color is this in French, you would ask, c'est de quelle couleur? I've broken down this question in colors to help you identify the words in this question. In red we have de quelle, which in this sentence translates as what. In black we have couleur, which translates as color. In orange we have C with an apostrophe, which is pronounced ce, and translates as this. And in green we have est, which means is. C'est de quelle couleur? To answer that question, you're going to use this phrase. C'est plus color. The C, which is in orange, translates as this, and est, which is in green, translates as is. C'est plus the color. C'est de quelle couleur? C'est rose. C'est de quelle couleur? C'est vert. C'est de quelle couleur? C'est rouge. C'est de quelle couleur? C'est jaune. C'est de quelle couleur? C'est orange. C'est de quelle couleur? C'est bleu. You'll need some counters or coins to play this version of Snakes and Ladders. Download this game by going into the description of the video on YouTube. To play, print it or keep it on your tablet screen to use as a game board. Then battle your partner with the French version of rock, paper, scissors. In French, to say rock, you say pierre. To say paper, you say papier. To say scissors, you say ciseaux. See who will make it to the top of the board first. Bonne chance!